Hi, sorry to hear about the problem with your Electrolux washing machine, ELFW4222AW. You've got a problem where you're saying it's tripping the electricity. This could be many things. You could have a problem with the motor, the door lock, possible circuit board. Heating element is very common as well. But what I'm going to create for you is a specific web page. This web page will have the workshop manual and also the wiring diagram. Now, I'm away on holiday at the moment in Berlin at a trade show, so I'm away for 2 to 3 weeks, so I can't specifically give you a call or anything to assist you. But I am lucky enough that I have got Starlink on top of the vehicle there, so I'm able to upload stuff for you and make this video for you. I'm actually parked on a very nice campsite, and as you can see, next to one of the canal systems in Berlin. You'll find many videos on our site to show you what the IFA trade show was like. AEG and Electrolux were there, so you'll be able to see all about them on the actual YouTube channel. Anyway, I hope the article that I write for you in the description below is helpful, but I will be back in the workshop within the next 2 to 3 weeks if you do need further assistance. Thanks very much from Berlin. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.